Hello, my friends. Mr. Mike here, and today we're reading a book called Night Night Farm, and it looks like it's bedtime for the farm animals. So let's begin. The sun is setting overhead. It's time to put the farm to bed. Hey, look at the sheep. Got a rooster watching the sun go down. Everyone should be tucked in tight. The time has come to say night night. Two chickens. This is going to be pretty cool. Horse is getting warm and snug underneath a woolly rug. It does look snug, doesn't it? There's the chicken in the tree. Yawn. Even the mouse is going to sleep. The dog. Yawn. Horses. I already did that, wouldn't we? All right. What a cozy place to stay. Night, night, horse. Nay, nay. Night, night, mouse. Night, night, dog. Night, night, cat. The chicks are heading to the coop. Sleepy heads begin to droop. The ducks are falling asleep in the pond. So is the frog. I like this. There's a baby chicken. Little chick. Night, night, ducks. Night, night, frog. Fluffy bundles, soft and sweet. Night, night, chicks. Tweet, tweet. Oh, look at the baby chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baby chickens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 hens. The cows have finished munching grass. The busy day is done at last. And we got some sheep, a cow, another cow, look, another cow. And I love this flat book. Night, night, sheep. Ready to sleep the whole night through. Night, night, cows. Moo, moo. Piglets trotting to their sty underneath the inky sky, sleeping soundly till the dawn. Night, night, piggies. Oink, oink. Yawn. Night, night, bunnies. The moon and stars are shining bright. Settle down. Switch off the light. All is quiet. All is calm. Night, night, sleepyhead. Night, night, farm. Everyone's asleep. Hope you liked, enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and come back for more stories. Have a great day and bye bye.